is also variable and T is also variable. So next we are taking Eulerian description continuity equations. What we are taking here, consider a fixed region of space R, this one, enclosed by a surface S, which continuum mu using Eulerian description, Eulerian ले रहे हैं, let Ni unit normal vector of the coordinate final coordinate system y1, y2, y3 to differential surface element ds, some surface element, let velocity element qi with final coordinate system y1, y2, y3 and t be the velocity vector of the dv in region R, and this is an density rho in final coordinate system y1, y2, y3 and t be the density of particle R. This is a basic assumption we are taking here for this diagram. Again we are taking law of mass conservation for deriving continuity equation in the Eulerian form. What is law of mass conservation here? Rate of increase of mass in R. Here I have underlined in, this is some importance here which we discuss in next later on. Mass of continuum flowing, again flowing is also underlined in R per unit time. So whatever the mass inside and after flowing or deformation, mass outside should be equal by the mass conservation law. Okay. So it comes to inside and this is flowing outside. So this is in opposite direction. This is an important thing, that's why I have underlined it. These are having opposite direction, which we using in somewhere. Rate of increase in mass, because we are using rate of increase of mass. Rate of increase of mass in R is nothing but del by del T of m. Rate of increase को denote कैसे करता हम इसी तरीके से. And what is m? M is nothing but equal to rho dV. So this may be written as integral in the region R del by del T. In place of m we are writing rho dV. That is equation A. Now mass of continuum flowing in R or outside surface element ds through the ds flowing R per unit time denoted by this. This is again writing directly in some text material. How it comes, this may be seen here. Here, this is in a surface area ds, n is in a unit normal vector perpendicular to the surface in an average sense, where ds is side of volume element dv, n is assumed to the point out of the volume element, through outside, from inside to outside. That is an important, inside to outside, our direction, because we are taking a negative sign here. That negative sign come from this way, this region, from inside to outside. The flux of masses passing through the surface outside, be rho v, where v is the flux velocity. It is a velocity quantity denoted by rho v ds. ds is nothing but n cap ds. So what we are having here, this is some rho v dot n ds, both are vector quantity. So a dot b, okay, this is surface element rho v and ds. This is a mass outside flowing. Okay. This is we are using. In our case, v is nothing but velocity denoted by q and a dot b denoted by ai bi. So what this becomes, rho I bi ni ds, okay, which we are using here. Now this is clear to you. Rho qi ni ds with negative sign. Why this negative sign come? Inside to outside. Okay. So this is rate of increase in mass, and this is mass through to the surface element ds. So both should be equal by using continuity law. So we are taking equal these. By this may be taken this side. So this is, we get a relation in integral form, and this is called Eulerian integral continuity equation. Clear? Now we are going for the other form, or differential continuity equation for Eulerian value. In index notation, already we know what is Gauss theorem reads. Gauss theorem is nothing but changing surface integral into region integral or volume integral. This is AI Ni ds in continuum mechanics notation, Cartesian tensor. AI Ni ds is nothing but region integral ai comma I dv. Here in our case, ai is nothing but rho qi. This integral form we already get in the previous slide. So this is ai. So substituting in this ai by rho qi, ai is rho qi, and the remaining are same ni ds. So this is a rho qi ni ds. Here this term convert into this term in surface integral. What we are doing, replacing ai by rho qi. Okay, how it convert into this? In place of this ai, we are substituting rho qi, and this comma comes here I dv. Clear this term? So we are substituting this surface integral into volume integral. Here this surface integral replacing by this volume integral by using this help. Clear? What we are doing here, both region are same, integrating with respect to dv is same, so we come into one integral. We are taking into one integral. Clear? Now, since the region R is taking arbitrary, any region, वही बात यहाँ हम दोबारा कह रहे हैं कि कोई भी हमने डायग्राम लिया, एक सेल इनफाइनेटेसिमल पैराबोलॉइड के लिए बात किया और पूरे रीजन के लिए बात करेंगे तो इंटीग्रल ले रहे हैं, तो यहां भी हमने रीजन आर्बिट्री ले लिया फुल डायग्राम्स के लिए. सो इंटीग्रेंड मस्ट बी वैनिश. If integral is 0, region is fixed. This happen only when integrand should be 0. So this should be 0. Now, this term, we are having two functions u and v, and this comma I should be denoted differentiation. So differentiation of two function uv, by first principle we are doing u dv plus v du. So opening this in these two terms, this is differentiation of first function rho comma I qi plus fixed first function and differentiation of second function qi comma I. So we are getting three terms. Now these two terms, first two terms, what we are watching, if this okay, I have elaborated these two terms here by writing this. This is same, this is qi, and this may be written as del rho by del yi. Okay, so what we are saying, this is rho, this is rho. If these rho are hide, what we get, del by del t plus qi del by del yi. What is this? This is co-moving derivative. Okay, so what this becomes, by using co-moving property, d rho by dt. So in place of these two, what we may write, d rho by dt plus rho qi comma I is equal to 0. So these are three forms, this one, this one, this one. These three forms are known as differential continuity equation for Euler viewpoint. And two things are important here. From this equation, if rho is a constant, what we get, d rho by dt becomes 0. And in such case, what we get, rho q I comma I becomes 0. This is called incompressible case. Okay, but in this equation, if rho is steady, then d rho partially del rho by del t becomes 0, and what we get, rho qi bracket comma I should be 0. This is called steady continuous medium. Okay, so here we get Eulerian continuity equation both for Lagrangian description, Eulerian description, and getting all the terms in integral continuity equation, differential form of continuity equation. Next, we are trying to get Lagrangian continuity equation